In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email background in Outlook. If you want to give your Outlook mailbox a different look, changing the background or overall appearance is a quick and simple way to do it. Outlook includes built-in themes that let you customize the visual style of your inbox, which can make it feel more personal and sometimes even easier on the eyes during long periods of use. To get started, open Outlook in your web browser. Make sure you're on the main mail screen so you can access the full settings menu. Once Outlook has loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the settings icon. This is usually shown as a small gear symbol. Go ahead and click that icon to open the settings panel. After the settings menu appears, look for the section called General. This area contains the broader customization and account display options for Outlook. Click on General to open more settings categories related to how Outlook looks and behaves. Next, select Appearance. This is where Outlook keeps its visual customization options, including interface styling and display themes. Once you open Appearance, you'll be able to preview different looks for your Outlook environment. From there, choose Themes. In this section, Outlook displays a variety of theme options that change the background and overall design of your email interface. You can browse through the available themes and select the one that fits your preference best. As you click through them, you may see the change reflected right away, which makes it easy to compare styles before settling on one. Take a moment to choose a theme that feels comfortable for you. Some themes are brighter and more colorful, while others may feel cleaner or more minimal. If you use Outlook often, choosing a background that reduces visual strain can make a noticeable difference. And that's all it takes to change the email background in Outlook. The process is very straightforward once you know where to look. Open Outlook, click the settings icon, go into General, open Appearance, and then select Themes to update the look of your mailbox. If Outlook's layout looks a little different on your screen, don't worry. Microsoft occasionally updates the interface, but these options are usually found in a very similar place within Settings. Just follow the same path, and you should be able to find the appearance controls without much trouble. Now, you know how to change email background in Outlook and personalize your inbox in just a few clicks.